Hi, this is Alice from SIB Visions with an overview of how you can change a field's label using a button, which is one of the simple actions you can assign in VisionX. I will again use the Styled Invoice application that you can download from the Solution Store. I will first open the invoice screen in design mode and add a new button to my screen. Then I click on the pencil icon, scroll to the bottom, and create a new action for the button. On the Action tab, I select Set Label from the drop-down. Under Label, I select Customer, and then I can define the new value for the label in the text box. I can use HTML for formatting by simply adding the HTML tag to the text. To set text to bold in HTML, I use the strong tag, and then I add the label text in the middle. I could also use a variable here instead of typing customer. Let's click Finish and test it. Now, when I click on the button, the text format on the customer label is changed to bold. Nice! Thanks so much for watching.